Welcome back to the Dry Fire Journal. This is day 42, and we are going to talk about a micro drill. And the micro drill is simply this. I'm going to start from the position of having already defeated my concealment. I use my index finger and I bring it straight up my center line. You get to do it however you need to do it. But I'm going to start with my hand on the gun in the holster. And I am going to move at the speed of discovery and see if there's anything I can clean up as I simply get to here. You'll notice that for me, I draw up and then press. You may be using more of an escalator model where you are driving like an escalator out to your target. If that is you, I need you to understand that your speed to coast is not necessarily about distance, but about height. And if you drive the gun up, you will find yourself needing to coast at the very end. So, this micro drill helps us understand from here to the position of coast, where does my hands need to go? What does my firearm need to do? What do I need to clean up? Here's the number one reason why I'm doing this. I can't tell you how many shooters I have seen recently in classes that need help not doing this. I'm not going to draw my firearm, just going to use my finger gun. As they come out of the holster and they start to pass their shooting hand, as they come out of the holster and they start to pass their support hand, I often see support hand coming over and sometimes coming up too high before it meets. So I want to clean up everything from defeat concealment in the holster to here, whatever that may be for you. Why is this important? Well, it's important because this is one of the things that we need to smooth out and iron out and get crystal clear in repetition exactly the way we want. Also, if you really want to experiment, if you have only worked on the escalator model, you may want to work on this. If you've only done this, you may want to give escalator a try. Just try it out. Remember, I said something in yesterday's video that I want to repeat again, and that is this. Don't get lazy mentally. We get lazy mentally when we believe that one method is more valuable than the other, or better, or more efficient, or faster, or whatever, simply because we've put more time and training into that method. So, try out a few things. Try out your thumb in, try your thumb over in your holster. Try the escalator. Try the obscure to here and just press my front side out. Try it all. See what happens. Measure it. Remember, we have to have the humility and the maturity to allow our performance to influence and shape and reshape our techniques. I'll see you tomorrow. Have fun.